what you got, Long Beach? Let's go. Jack Styles. Yeah. Let's go. Nice. Jack Styles. Styles. Hey. All right, what you got? What you got, OC? What's your response? Oh, we got bullseye. Coming out. Hey, okay. Love it. We got both Henry. Let's go. Hey, nice. Oh, yo, nice. Who gave these kids nice? Representing Long Beach, we got the aviator. Let's go. Ava on the floor. Oh, let's go. Nice. What you got, Ava? What you got, Ava? Let's go. Oh, nice. Let's go, OC. But next. Oh. Oh, let's go. All right, what you got, Long Beach? Who's next? Who's next? Let's go. Oh. All right, let's go. We got Eve live. Let's go. Nice. Let's go. Hey. What's up, Eli? What you got? Kid Groove. Representing Long Beach. Wait. Long Beach back up again on my side. People insane. Oh, they got routine on routine. Hey. Yo. Let's go. Oh. Hey. Okay. Oh, let's go. How does he got a six-pack? Let's go. He only 7. No. Let's go. Hey, let's go. We got Nasty Nate. Oh, representing OC. Oh, he said I'm gonna break your glasses. Let's go. All right, what's up, Long Beach? Back up. Oh, let's go. River flow. Yo. Nice. Hey, Hey, let's go. Oh, let's go, let's go. Hey, nice. Iron whip. Okay, what you got? OC, what you got? OC, let's go. Let's go. Make some noise, y'all. Let's go. Hey. We got a crowd favorite. But again, we won't know until the judges give us the score. Now, everyone count it down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Long Beach moves on to the finals, facing off with